Hello. So today we are going to learn coconut tree in Warli art. So for that we are going to use some alphabets and some shapes. Alphabet V, S, circle and kind of like a drop shape, a skinny one. You can do this way too. You can do this way too. So let's start with alphabet S. So this is S, and if I will go this way, it's a mirror image. I will use this one just like my previous video, butterfly, same thing I'm going to use. I will make it kind of like that. So this is my paper. If you want to do the framing, you can do the framing. And then over here, this is the ground. From here I will start and I will go this way. Do not go all the way here because we have to draw the leaves over here. So for that I will make a dotted line circle. Now one finger spacing, or you can just put the pencil over here and you can mark this much, and here it's very skinny. Slowly by slowly you have to make it skinny and then connect. Now we have to draw another one over here. So for that you can start with the circle and then one line this way, one finger spacing over here. This is going to be skinny and dotted line or very light line, and then you have to connect it. So we are done with this shape and we are done with this circle shape. Now I am going to use this drop shape. 1 2 3 4 5. This one 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's up to you how many leaves do you want. Now if you want drop to be really big and then skinny over here, you can do, if you want the skinny leaf, yes, you can do a skinny drop over here. So I like this way, the drop big one. It's up to you, and it has to be very light because later we are going to erase all of them. The drop shape we already learned. Now we have to use V shape. So this leaf is going down, right? So you have to do V like this way. If you're not using Sharpie, you can erase and make this line very light. From here. So make sure when you are drawing, this is the notch. So if you can start from here like this and then go down. You can put the dot here like this. As much as you want, you can put the gap over here. If you want really far from each other, you can do that way. Or if you want very close to each other, yes, you can do this way. But if you are using Sharpie, make sure a little bit of space, because Sharpie is a little bit thicker than the pencil. This way. So I'm done this one. I'm going to show you this one. So this one is going in the top. So this way, V. You can also do it this way. Little bit wiggly is fine, don't worry about that. This one is going sideways, so we will be sideways. So this is the way you have to fill all of them. Now I'm going to show you how to use Sharpie. So let's do this one. Put it something under this one, otherwise it will go on the bottom paper. So this one, you can see it's a little bit thick. So this way, as much as close you want these lines, you can do. So this one is top over here. So first I will make V. This is sideways. This is sideways. This is down. This is coming down this way like a flower. And then I will go with the V. So one circle, second circle, third, fourth, fifth, 1, 2, grapes style. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want 5, you can do 5 or 3, it's up to you. Now I will take my Sharpie. If you are not using any marker or any color, you can do it with the pencil and color this one with the pencil. I will trace this one. And I will trace. If you are using pencil, you can use pencil or marker or Sharpie and try to draw lines. So I'm done with these ones. Now this is a ground. So for ground, you can just draw some grass over here with the lines. So it will show you this is the ground. And then when you are done with all these, if you are doing with the pencil, erase only guidelines. If you are doing with the marker or Sharpie or anything like that, erase all extra lines. Make sure you are not tracing this drop shape.